What is up and welcome back. I hope you guys are excited because today should be really fun. We are on a special bite and it's going down right now, as you guys are gonna see in about 3, 2, 1. Boom, baby. Just sitting here waiting, and look at that slab. Just an absolute donkey. 13 inches on the tape. Let him go. Let him grow on the set line. I'll show you what I have rigged up. See ya, baby. Oh my gosh. Yeah, first drop. Too dark out, I mean, in the house to like really film. So just kind of showing you guys what I can for now. When it gets a little lighter, I'll put the GoPro on and we'll see what happens. So hope you guys are ready. Stay tuned. It should be really, really fun today. Here we go. He's back. 2 of them. On my set line, hard. There we go, hooked up. Walleye on the tungsten. Unbelievable. Walleye on the freaking tungsten, boys. I got another one down there. I'm gonna try to get down there as fast as I can. This is a perfect little eating walleye. I think I'm only gonna keep a couple walleyes. That's a perfect eater. Let's get right back down there. There's another fish down there. Alright, marking. Got one coming right off the bottom here. Maybe gonna just jig my set line a touch. Oh no, there's one on my set line. Oh, he's coming up for my jig. Giant mark. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that freaking donk. Holy smokes, guys. This fish is freaking giant. I don't know how well you can see it. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Alright guys, here we go. Quick official measure. Almost 14. Just over 14, 14 and a quarter. How far does that go? 14 and a quarter. Yeah, that's a hog. That's a hog. We'll let him go. Come on, stop. I'll let you go. Alright, let's get him back ASAP. Yeah. All right. Gorgeous. Look at that 8-inch hole. Freaking tank. Oh, all right. See ya, baby. Kicked off strong. Oh. Marking. He's coming for it. Come on. Scared him. I missed him. Alrighty guys, current time is like 9 o'clock. Fishing's been good, but slow. Probably about every 45 minutes, half hour, 45 minutes. You'll get a fish or two to come by, catch one of them, and then just wait again. Caught one really nice crappie and another really nice crappie before that, and I got one walleye sitting on the ice. So the setup I'm using is just a little tungsten jig with wax worms, and then I got a set line down, just a little glow-in-the-dark hook and fathead, and it's kind of been mixed, a couple jigging and a couple on the set line. And yeah, we're just sitting here having a good one. Sitting in the house today. It's supposed to start snowing here pretty soon, so prefrontal, you know what that means. Let's get it going, Ian. Oh, it's just a little perch. Just a little perch. fatty, gonna be a future giant, but not gonna go home today. Just getting my set line reset back up, and little perch came in and bit it. Multi-species. Hooked up. Alright, well, I lost him. He got tangled up in my transducer, got tangled up everywhere. There's more fish down there, so I'm gonna try to get down there as fast as I can. That kind of sucks. It was only like a 11 incher, but it is what it is. I even drilled an extra hole for my transducer, so I didn't have to worry about that. And he took off right here, got wrapped around that, got wrapped around my set line, and I tried to go down and grab him, and I just popped him off. I'd have been mad if it was a really big one, but it wasn't too big. Alrighty guys, as you can hear probably, it is pouring out. I'm sitting on like 6 inches of ice, so I think I'm good. This is supposed to turn to snow, and I'm kind of just waiting for it to turn to snow so I have a little bit easier of a walk back. I don't have any ice cleats because I lost my pair up north, but that's besides the point. Anyway, it is continuing to rain. I've been sitting out here, I think it's like 12:30 right now, so not much has gone on. Marking quite a decent amount of fish, but they just kind of race up to it, sit about 2 feet off the bottom, and then just stare at it, go right back down. So I don't know what the problem is. I don't know if this front's kind of messing with them. I think they'd bite, but maybe not. I don't know. So stay tuned. We're going to keep sitting out here for just a little bit longer, but before it gets real bad, yeah, we're going to get off. See ya. Guys, I don't know. The wind is really picking up. If I let this go, this is going to flip back up and over me. Winds have really picked up in the last like 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna I tried to like move my house just a tiny bit, and now I'm sliding. Oh, I gotta like hold this thing down with all I can to keep it. I need to get out of here. This is getting bad. All right, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but the wind has picked up like crazy. There's a lot of water on the ice. It's starting to turn to snow, and I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Yeah, sounds like roads are greasy already up in the old north of here. But yeah, fun day, caught some pigs, but pretty slow, far and few between bites. Let's get out of here, let's warm up. It's not warm, it's getting cold. I think tonight it's supposed to be down to like -1, and it's like 44 degrees right now. So let's see what happens. Stay locked. I hope the ice stays locked.
What it do? 5 in the morning and I got my mind on loop. I never sleep cause they smoke up in the Bugatti. I woke up in the coupe. It's a G. 35 gin and juice where I woke up feeling like Snoop. And the whole team ready about the action, and we didn't come to lose. Now we didn't come to lose. A certified polymath, I am living proof. And I just kick it, I do my business, and then I visit the obituary when I hit the booth. And I did it all on my own, cause nobody showed me no love. But now they say, damn man, he's grown. You should've known. Now what is to come? They say, oh.